This video will guide you through the installation of an aluminium stair balustrade with a continuous handrail. These instructions cover instances where you are using a 50mm post between 75mm posts on stairs for a continuous handrail setup. Please understand all instructions completely before starting any part of the installation. Prior to starting an installation of any aluminium balustrade project, ensure you have the proper tools and safety protection. We recommend the following tools: appropriate fasteners for mounting posts to deck surface, cordless drill, pencil, safety glasses, miter saw with non-ferrous blade, level, tape measure, number 2 square drive bit, 5mm drill bit. Important notes: actual picket balustrade sizes. 1,830mm balustrades equals 1,765mm. 2,440mm balustrades equals 2,320mm. You will require 75mm posts at the end of each balustrade run when installing a continuous rail. Stair balustrades are shipped at a 37-degree angle. Balustrades are adjustable and will accommodate 30 to 40 degree stair angles. When setting your angle for your stairs, only crank your panel once. Continual adjustment of the angle back and forth will cause the pickets to become loose and rattle. You can use a nail punch to gently knock the tabs back down if this happens, but avoiding this by limiting the angle adjustment is recommended. Using 2 posts at the top of the stairs is recommended if a compound angle cut is required. Prior to construction, check with your local regulatory agency for special code requirements in your area regarding stair balustrade heights. A secondary handrail may be necessary to meet local code compliance. Stair post spans should never exceed 1,765mm on centre. For all other applications, consult a design professional or a manufacturer's representative for more information. Read installation instructions thoroughly before proceeding with assembly. Let's get started. Tip: it may be helpful to leave posts loosely attached to stair treads while installing clips and balustrades. You can tighten your posts down to the deck once clips and balustrades are cut and fitted. Be careful to make sure that your posts are level and plumb when marking the balustrades and rail for cutting. Position stair balustrade alongside the 75mm top stair post and temporarily installed 75mm bottom post. Position stair balustrade approximately 45mm above stair nosing. Tip: lay a 90 by 45mm timber board flat on the nose of stair treads. This will allow enough room for installation of bottom snap. Clamp the bottom of the panel to the posts and then crank the stair balustrade once to get the desired angle. Clamp stair balustrade against top 75mm posts. Using a sharp number 2 pencil, mark the stair channels at 4 locations. Tip: you can use masking tape to mark the cuts as an alternate method. After the balustrade has been clamped to the post, mark cut lines on the H-channel and the 50mm stair posts, using the bottom of the H-channel to find your angle for the post cut. Remove clamps and cut stair balustrade at all 4 locations, 2mm less than the opening size, 1mm each end. Take care to cut stair channels at appropriate stair angle. Use of miter saw with a sharp, non-ferrous blade is recommended. Cut 50mm stair posts where marked, taking care to cut at appropriate stair angle and direction. With a number 2 square driver bit, fasten stair crossover brackets into 50mm stair posts with 2 number 8 by 40mm self-drilling screws. Note: self-drilling screws must be installed in screw chasers in line with balustrades. Clean cut areas and apply touch-up paint on all exposed ends. After the stair balustrade has been cut to proper size and angle, place the balustrade on the 90 by 45mm timber board or hold 45mm above stair nosing between 2 posts. Using a sharp number 2 pencil, Draw a line across the top of the lower picket channel in 2 places. Remove balustrade and bottom post. Fasten stair balustrade attach clips below marked lines with 4 number 8x20mm self-drilling screws. Note, when positioning clip, remember to drop the clip down from your line the thickness of the picket channel, about 3mm. Repeat for each stair balustrade section. Once the stair balustrade attach clips have been installed, reattach the lower, last post to the bottom step or landing. Place the stair balustrade onto the lower stair balustrade attach clips. When lower channel is fully seated on lower stair clips, insert stair balustrade attach clips into upper channel. 50mm posts with crossover brackets do not need upper stair attach clips. Secure upper stair attach clips to post with 2 number 8x20mm self-drilling screws. Then secure upper channel to stair balustrade attach clip with 2 number 8x20mm self-drilling screws. Repeat this same procedure for bottom post upper channel. When upper channel is secured to attach clips, return to lower channel and secure lower channel to lower stair clips with 2 number 8x20mm self-drilling screws at upper post and 2 number 8x20mm self-drilling screws at lower post. Following the same angle as the secured stair balustrade, clamp or hold top or bottom balustrade snaps against 75mm posts. Using a sharp number 2 pencil, mark the hand and base balustrade snaps at all 4 locations. Continuous handrail snaps may span several balustrades, up to a total of 5,486mm in length. Remove clamps and cut hand and base balustrade snaps at all 4 locations. Take care to cut snaps at appropriate stair angle. Use of a miter saw with a sharp non-ferrous blade is recommended. Cut 1 to 2mm less than opening size to allow snaps to be fitted more easily. Clean cut areas and apply touch-up paint on exposed ends. Snap each balustrade snap over the corresponding balustrade channel until properly seated. Install post caps and base plate covers only after entire balustrade assembly, including stair balustrade, is completed. A secondary handrail may be required for residential deck installations. Check with local building code official. You've done it. Your stair balustrade with a continuous handrail is now installed. If you have any questions about your balustrade, please reach out to us or visit www.ultraloxrail.com.au.